Murisei Makadini. Welcome back to Shonaland, and today I'll be taking you through letter J and combining it with the Shona vowels. So as a recap, we say the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels, and the vowels are the ones that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce the Shona vowels. We've got A, E, O, U. So today we'll be combining letter J with the Shona vowels, and I will teach you how to properly pronounce them. I will also give you some sample words to make sure you properly understand how to pronounce the combination. So if you combine the vowel A with J, you pronounce it as Ja, Ja, like Ja Rastafari. But it's Ja, Ja. And if you combine it with A, it's J, J, J. And if you combine it with E, it's G, G, G. And if you combine it with O, it's Jo, Jo. And if you combine it with U, it's Ju, Ju. So to give you some sample words using this combination, for Ja, we've got Jassy, Jassy. So Jassy in English is jersey. It's a jersey. Jassy. And for J, we've got Jeko, Jeko, Jeko. In English, it's a sickle, sickle. For G, we've got Jira, Jira, Jira. In English, that's cloth. For Jo, we've got Jongwe, Jongwe, Jongwe. That's rooster in English. Ju, we've got Juru, Juru, Juru. That's termite. So for Ja, we've got Jassy, J, Jeko, G, Jira, Jo, Jongwe, Ju, Juru. So this brings us to the end of this video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video where I'll be taking you through letter K and combining it with the Shona vowels. Don't forget to leave a comment, to like our video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.